East Harbour Transit Hub is going to be the second largest station on the GO network, second only to Union Station. Our highest ridership number right now was in the order of 230,000 passengers through the entirety of the GO network. East Harbour alone, when fully operational, will be seeing 100,000 passengers daily. The Transit Hub will connect both GO services with the new Ontario Line subway. There will also be connections to the TTC, not only through Ontario Line, but also through a future Broadview Avenue streetcar that is in the next phase of planning for the City of Toronto. It will also enable development around this area. This is a growing part of Toronto, and it will be a vibrant new community that will be based around transit.
So seeing the project through the multiple transitions and phases over the last several years, almost 7, from developer-led to client-led, and now we're under this collaborative delivery model. From a commercial and project control standpoint, there have been competing deadlines, commercial intricacies, as well as the need for extensive commitments and approvals.
Key deliverables on the East Harbour Alliance are to enable design, construction, handoff. We have designed our schedule so that we deliver the rail infrastructure when it's needed to assure construction can start, have all of this happen, while we're still continuing the design of the station building and its system.
From Hatch's perspective, this is a really unique opportunity. Not only is it a large, complex station that we're delivering from structural, architectural, mechanical, electrical, staging, track point of views. From an industry standpoint, this is one of the first Alliance models being delivered. I think one of the things that's exciting on this job is the way that Metrolinx and Hatch have worked together even before the Alliance started. Back in 2018 is when we first started working on this project. We released an early works package that allowed our construction to start about 2 years ago. One of the things that we did is we redesigned the station to accommodate a budget. And we were able to do that because of that early works phase, where we kept building that early works to ensure that the critical path schedule was maintained the entire time. When the project went to an Alliance model in late 2022, between ourselves, Metrolinx, and the contractor, one of the key drivers to the successful completion of a project is how everybody works together and to make sure that the project is delivered on time, on budget.
When you're working as part of an alliance, you really have the benefit of a one-team approach, making decisions that are best for project. As engineer of record, this allows the Hatch team to respond to real-time construction issues and help resolve them so that we can keep up with the construction schedule. We've started the PAA phase of the project, but it's important to recognize that there was a huge early works phase to allow us to get here. As part of early works, we not only built a new half of the current Eastern Avenue Bridge, we also built a retaining wall and took care of shifting the tracks to allow for live trains to continue passing while we're building the station.
So we've been lucky to have folks from coast to coast and all across the world work on East Harbour. We're engaging leaders from our tunnels practices, project delivery group, Transit BU. There are connecting rail corridor projects. We've got municipal infrastructure, flood protection, and all these things, including the Transit Hub, that have to fit together. Benefits of being part of the Alliance team include being in the room with the owner to try to shape the project scopes, what the outcomes were, what the target budget, and what the cost. And that's a really unique opportunity. We've also been able to work with our contracting partners side by side, and that helps get our designs constructible. And I think lastly, the commercial model here really incentivizes all parties to getting the project delivered. This project is scheduled to be completed in 2 phases. So we are going to be delivering our transit hub in about 2028, and then we're going to follow up in 2029 with some municipal infrastructure with the extension of Broadview Avenue.
The East Harbour Transit Hub truly is a special project. It's going to provide significant relief to Union Station, which is currently at capacity. You'll be able to have a lot more of a community that's built around the station. You'll have new businesses, you'll have new residents, the community centers, daycares, parks and open spaces, And ultimately, having this be a flagship not only for the way transit is transforming in the city, but also the way that we are delivering the projects is monumental.